We've done it! We've officially turned our lives into a game! This is the gamified task manager, habit tracker, and bullet journal that you've been looking for to start making work fun and build the motivation and focus to get stuff done. With our latest release of the Tutorial Island, we've made it a truly immersive game-like experience for you to easily hack your mind to maximize your productivity and enjoy everything you do. And the best part is, you can start today for free. My name is Conrad, and I'm a creator that is endlessly passionate about finding new ways to solve everyday challenges. And in November 2019, I started the Gamification Project, which was built for my friends, family, and community to motivate us to live our best life and inspire global movements. It's grown to become a huge collaborative project, and we've been blessed to have over 10,000 downloads and hundreds of monthly patrons supporting our work, co-creating and collaborating with us to build systems that help our community members live with intention, improve productivity, and make work fun. I'm so proud to share with you today one of the most exciting features that we've ever built, the Tutorial Island, which enables you to pick your own path so you can embark on an engaging and rewarding growth journey to level up your life together with your friends and family. I'll leave a link for you to get the free Notion templates in the description below, and watch till the end for a special offer you won't want to miss. When you first spawn in the Tutorial Island as the hero of your own journey, you can choose your own avatar, design your character, and pick your starting class. As you progress, you'll notice that we've created fun in-game dialogues with instructors for a truly immersive gamified experience. Our instructors will give you quests with clear instructions and short videos to teach you the specific skills you need to set up your workspace. The tutorial is entirely self-paced, so head in your quests whenever you're done to earn experience points and gold rewards and move on to the next instructor. In your first week of using the templates, we'll also send you additional content through email on the fundamentals behind each module so you can learn exactly how the system is helping you hack your mind to do what you want. Depending on the path you've chosen, you'll be getting class-specific quests that will build up your strengths and cover your weaknesses. We want to be as helpful as we can on your growth journey and give you the tools you need to achieve the success you're looking for. We'll teach you how to create your own gamified projects and tasks, prioritize what needs to be done, and be rewarded for completing difficult tasks on time. Then, turn your daily routines into fun and exciting daily quests that you get to do instead of tedious work that you have to do. It's the consistent work that you put in daily that gets you to where you want to go. The daily quest also doubles as a bullet journal to help you meaningfully reflect on your day and easily look back on your week and pat yourself on the back for a job well done. And finally, create your own item shop to spend your gold, keeping your mental and physical health in your best condition and learning how to quest sustainably. Never struggle alone by sharing your wins with a 1,000-strong family that is relentlessly passionate about productivity, growth, and learning, and excited to be part of your character progression and be updated on your wins. We're also currently working on the CoX3 family connection, which builds on the Notion API to automatically pull wins that you want to share into our community space and connect with comrades who are on similar growth journeys. You can check out more details in the description below. And for real-time collaboration, invite friends and family into your workspace so you can embark on quests together. Real quick, if you like the content I've shared in this video so far, please do drop us a like and subscribe. It helps our channel reach more people like you, and do share this video for friends that might also enjoy gamifying their lives. Defeat your first dragon by learning how to use your dashboards and customizing them to your liking. You can even create your own dashboards and have mobile-friendly views to always have access on the go. Immerse yourself inside your favorite fantasy world by checking out our theme library for inspiration from our family. We've just launched early access of the Tutorial Island for the public free version of Gamify Your Life, and you can grab that in the link in the description below. It's truly thanks to our wonderful patrons that we're able to build and share such feature-rich templates like this for free to help more people like you to make everyday life more fun and enjoyable. We also hope you check out the enhanced version, where we've created badges, pets, party members, loot boxes, and so much more. And wait, we have a special offer for you. If you want to help improve this project, go through the tutorial and give us your feedback to get an opportunity to earn the enhanced version for free. Over the past year, we've been building systems for a better life in our toolbox to help you be more intentional, make work fun, and take back life control. If you want to get the tutorial island for the enhanced version of Gamify Your Life ML Control, our patrons can enroll in our beta stream to get early access before the official launch on July 2nd. When it launches, you can also expect more awesome features like class combinations when you hit certain milestones to create your own life playstyle. Huge thanks to our patrons for making our work possible. Your support means the world to us and keeps this project going. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week ahead, and remember, make work fun, get stuff done.